Welcome back, guys. Muffler's off. I'm just unbolting the exhaust system from the turbocharger now. Right, that's the exhaust system off. I'm going to remove the caliper and all this brake system. Next, the rear sets. So I've got the rear brake master cylinder off. I had to drain the system so that I could remove this reservoir hose from behind this frame rail. So now I'll unbolt the caliper. Okay, rear sets and rear brake, she's gone. So on this side, I'm going to take off the peg and rear set, gear changer, quick shifter. I'll leave the side stand on because we'll need that when we go get the plenum modified. Right, let's pull it off. When I was disconnecting the quick shifter, I had to follow the wire up through the middle of the bike. It ended up back at this relay. This relay is also connected to this early style module that controlled the quick shifter, and I remember fitting it because I physically couldn't fit it anywhere. I had to mount it inside this original bracket, which you can see him tucked in there because I physically just ran out of space. Basically all that stuff is not going back on the bike. That's all really old school. Okay, that's off. Next I'm going to remove the clutch master cylinder and the hose, which goes down to the slave cylinder in here somewhere, and the switch gear. Disconnect this stuff. Next up is to drop the coolant, so then I can remove the radiator, which will let me then remove the clutch master cylinder. One of the banjo bolts is hidden behind this radiator hose, so it has to come off anyway, so the time has come. So here comes the coolant, nice and green. Been sitting in there for at least 10 years. So I'm pretty happy with that. Right, the radiator's out. That gives me access to the turbo when I want to remove the manifold and have it ceramic coated or painted. I've got to leave it there at the moment because it's all rock solid. Same with this feed pipe, which then will let us still modify all the plenum chamber. So he has to stay put for a minute. So off with the clutch system now. The hydraulic clutch system has been removed. I'll remove this left-hand switch gear. Thanks for subscribing and liking. See you tomorrow.